Namaskar. Today we are going to tell you how to take measurement from your well-fitted kurta. For that you need inch tape and you need a well-fitted kurta. We need to take measurement of shoulder, length, chest, waist, hip, sleeve length and sleeve loose. So here is the inch tape and here is the well-fitted kurta. So here the shoulder we have to take from this point to this point, and the shoulder of mine is 15. Now it is chest. Chest we need to take from this armhole end to this armhole end. So is here. Then we have to take the measurement of waist. For waist we need to point it at 14 and 14 from this point to this point. This is called waist. And the hip will be, either you have to take from 21 inches from here to here, 21 inches, or from the opening of the slit, this to this is called hip. And for the length we have to take from the top, and top should be from the neck till the end. And now it comes the sleeve length. And remember, you have to take measurement from inches. If you are taking measurement from inches, then take all the measurement from the inches. If you are taking measurement from the centimeters, take measurement from centimeters. And this is the length of the sleeve, and this is the loose, sleeve loose. So here we can take easily the measurement of your kurta. If you don't have an inch tape, then you can use the scale also. Thank you.